You know, you could put somebody's eye out with that thing.
Your request is not unlike your lower intestine. Stinky and loaded with danger. But I am yet to attain omnipresent supergalactic oneness.
There it is. You've just attained it.
I have. This took you 80 years to achieve.
I don't like it anymore. Really.
Denial can be an ugly thing.
It's gonna be some kind of a record! Oh, man! It was right there!
Can I do it one more time?
Let's do all the things that you want to do.
Peanut?
Yes, I have one right here. It's bulky, but I consider it carry-on. There's someone on the wing. Something.
Chitty chitty bang bang, are fine for Vandered. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah! If I can just find a parking spot. Like a glove.
The urine stain on your pants would signify that you're a single shake man. Far too busy for the follow-up jiggle. Do I have something in my teeth?
Who is this ghastly man?
And you must be the Monopoly guy. Thanks for the free parking. It's lovely, but I fancy myself in autumn. Both are known poachers.
Honk, 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 honk.
Hi there, nice to see you. Bumblebee tuna? Bumblebee tuna! Your balls are showing. Bumblebee tuna?
They did not know about disease until the white man came.
Earthquake test! He's good. With my help, he could be the best.
Libby libby, wah. Chim chimney, chim chim chiroo.
I like you.
Aren't I the popular one? Allow me to display my affection. It is the mucus that binds us. Hey, take it easy.
Yes, Chief. Thank you.
Chicago. Shikasha. Ah.
Guano. That sounds so familiar.
Bat droppings.
Not one damn clue. I have vowed to take a life of celibacy. Oh, Mama.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Ventura.
I was just practicing my mantra. If I don't finish my meditation, I tend to get a little cranky. Take care now. Bye-bye then.
Take that, you winged spawn of Satan!
All I really need is my torch.
Die, devil bird!
I'm not too much. Much too much. Kinda hot in these rhinos. Warm!
The mother rhino is giving birth. Mommy! Oh, we have to get out of here!
Get in the jeep.
What's that you got there?
I can feel it like it's right in my neck.
3 darts is too much.
Kooky.
better fighter than you.
Nobody messes with the dew! I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose. Throw it! I dare ya!
You are like sissy girl.
Take care now. Bye-bye then. I think we can assume the stream gets pretty rough up ahead.
I'm alive! Quit hitting yourself! Quit hitting yourself! Water tastes good, yes!
They have guano! Let's go kick some consulate butt. Let me run that back for you.
Smutny, damn, I'm good! Can you feel that? Huh? Can you feel it, Captain Compost?
Greenwall, hit the lights! The switch on the wall beside you! Go for it! Flick it, quick! Alrighty then. Shall we go to jail? Hey, what are you, HR shoving stuff? Humans and animals can live in harmony.
Say hello to my stinky little friend. Oh, he wants to go off-road. Nobody wants to play with me. Sir!
Can't be. From the consulate, right?
This is weird.
To attain total spiritual creaminess and avoid the chewy chunks of degradation.
Well, I think he's saying she's not a virgin.
They can tell that.